Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on Data Saver in Spotify. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Spotify. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, open the Spotify app. On the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. After that, go into Settings, then tap on Data Saver and Offline. Here, simply turn on the Data Saver option. And that's it. This will help reduce your data usage while streaming music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.